Welcome back. It feels like only a day since I saw you. Missed you guys. Okay, today we are going to learn how to name angles. I wish we could simply name them Bob or Joe or Fish, but that is not the way it works. Our learning target today is I can identify the endpoint and rays that construct an angle. How do we do that? First, we're going to determine the name of an angle based on the points that construct the angle. Yesterday, we were practicing, there's an endpoint and a ray. That makes an angle. Well, what we haven't shown you yet is there are more endpoints. This whole ray is made up of points. We're going to pick a point, doesn't matter which one, as long as it's on that ray, and we're going to give it a name. I'm going to name this one X. I'm going to name this one Y, and I'm going to name this one Z. Now, we're going to use our cute little angle symbol. So we're going to talk about an angle, and first we need to start our name with one of these. So we might start our name with X. Okay, then we say what endpoint they share, which is Y. That's the vertex or vertex. Okay, we use the word vertex. You will have some math teachers that use vertex. It's one of those things that everybody does different. And then we name the end, the second end point. So angle X, Y, Z. Angle X, Y, Z. And that, my friends, is how we name an angle. So we're going to delete this angle and we're going to draw another angle. We are going to draw an obtuse angle this time. There is my vertex, which is right in the middle. And we're going to give this one the name of Q. Okay? And this ray over here, he looks like an R guy. We're going to name him R. This guy that goes up this way, we are going to name him P. So we have ray QR. We always start with a ray on the point where it begins. We also have ray QP. That lets us know right here that Q is the point that they share. So Q has to be in the center of the name. So we can have angle PQR. That's the correct name of the angle. But RQP is also the correct name of the angle. Either it doesn't matter if you start at the P and go to the R, or if you start at the R and go to the P. Those are both correct names for the angles. Okay, guys, you can watch this video as many times as you need. It's not a very long one today. You'll have another practice on live worksheets. Remember, you need to practice until you get at least 8 out of 10 correct. And share your score with me in the text box. Miss you guys. See you soon.